Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to install a GROHE QuickFix accessory using a towel ring as an example. It sounds complicated, but it's not. A few important notes beforehand. This installation also applies to many other accessories with a single adhesive point. The glue is not included in the product packaging. The packaging includes all the other parts you need for installation. We will not need any screws today. Take a look at the enclosed installation manual. To attach your new towel ring to the wall, all you need is a spirit level, a pencil, and this glue. You should now plan exactly where the holder should be placed. Once you've picked a good place, clean it thoroughly first, then mark the spot. Now draw a horizontal line in order to align the towel ring in position. Loosen the small Allen screw slightly and take out the mounting plate. Then remove the foil from the adhesive strips, align the plate and stick it on. Next, you will need the glue and the adapter. Screw it into the centre of the mounting plate. After that, remove the cap from the syringe and twist it into the adapter. Carefully press in the glue until the slats are filled. Now leave the glue to harden for 24 hours. At this time, all you need to do is attach the towel ring and fix it in place with the small Allen screw. Done! It's easy to dismantle the towel ring again if you need to. To do this, loosen the Allen screw first, followed by the holder. Then remove the mounting plate slowly, using a spatula. Clean the areas thoroughly. And that's it!